Congratulations on your tenure.
You were an amazing swim coach this year.
And you have the best neatos in your room.
Okay. Thank you, Ms. Johnson, for being the best class advisor.
And thank you for always being there when we need to hang out. Congratulations on your tenure.
Hey, Ms. Johnson, thank you so much for everything you do. Congratulations on your tenure. The students and staff appreciate all that you do to help the community, and we just want to know how much we appreciate you.
You're good. Congratulations on your tenure, and thank you for everything you do for me, and you're someone I can just go and talk to about anything.
Ms. Johnson, congratulations on your tenure. Thank you for always helping me with college applications and always being a great swim coach, and also giving me a place to come when I don't really have much going on at school. Thank you.
Hi, Ms. Johnson. Congrats on your tenure. Thank you for always being someone I can count on and for being there for me, and you made my senior year so special.
Hey, Ms. Johnson. It's your favorite student, Ethan Robinson here. I want to say congratulations on your tenure, and thank you for everything you've done for me. Appreciate it.